The moment you hear the name Hummer, you expect something massive, powerful, and unapologetically bold. And the 2026 GMC HUMMER EV X3 pushes that expectation to a whole new level. Today on Next Gear, we're diving deep into one of the most extreme electric off-road machines on the planet, a vehicle that doesn't just break rules but completely rewrites them. The HUMMER EV X3 elevates the already wild HUMMER EV lineup, turning it into a futuristic monster built for terrains most vehicles wouldn't dare to approach. This is the kind of machine that instantly grabs your attention, not just because of its sheer size but because of how it blends off-road aggression with high-tech EV engineering. As you walk up to the HUMMER EV X3, the front end hits you with an unmistakable presence. The white LED light bar stretches across the front with that iconic HUMMER illumination that comes alive when you unlock it. The grille design remains closed because of its EV nature, but the structure and shape retain that rugged, square-jawed identity. Below it, a heavily armored bumper, massive tow hooks, and reinforced skid plates make it obvious this is not just a showpiece. The stance is lifted even more than previous models, giving the X3 extreme ground clearance that immediately signals it's built for the most brutal trails. The front also integrates high-output LED fog lamps embedded into the protective bodywork, giving it a tactical and military-grade look. Moving to the side, the size of this machine becomes even more intimidating. The fender flares are wider, chunkier, and built to accommodate the gigantic all-terrain tires that are practically the size of small barrels. The X3 introduces an upgraded suspension system with adaptive air control that can raise the vehicle to towering heights for rock crawling. The proportions are bold, with sharp character lines, armored side skirts, and heavy-duty step plates that feel like they belong on a rescue vehicle. The wheel design is aggressive, with beadlock-capable rims ready to handle harsh terrain without losing tire pressure. The side mirrors are large, squared off, and equipped with multiple cameras that support the vehicle's expanded 360-degree off-road view system. Even the door handles are flush, improving aerodynamics while keeping the futuristic EV aesthetic alive. At the rear, the HUMMER EV X3 continues its theme of rugged dominance. The taillights mimic the H-shaped signature that's now a staple of the new HUMMER EV family. A strong, reinforced bumper carries more recovery hooks and a redesigned spare tire carrier positioned higher to avoid trail impact. The tailgate remains multifunctional, opening traditionally or folding into multiple configurations, ideal for loading gear, tools, or overlanding equipment. The rear also includes more cameras, reverse spotlights, and a robust underbody shield. Everything from the angles to the proportions to the materials reminds you this is a vehicle designed to conquer places where normal SUVs would panic. Inside interior, the cabin, the HUMMER EV X3 takes its futuristic military-influenced design even further. The cabin feels like a mix of a luxury lounge and a sci-fi command center. High-resolution screens dominate the dash, including a large central infotainment display powered by the latest Unreal Engine graphics. This gives the off-road modes, animations, and energy displays a cinematic, game-like experience. The instrument cluster is fully digital, customizable, and designed to deliver real-time performance data, from torque distribution to wheel articulation. The materials are rugged but premium, with reinforced edges, anti-slip textures, metallic accents, and X3 exclusive trim finishes. Seats are thick, supportive, ventilated, and wrapped in durable leather with contrasting stitching that carries the X3 identity. The roof panels remain removable, allowing you to open the cabin to the sky just like earlier HUMMER EVs. Storage spaces are abundant, and the flat F-floor creates a spacious environment for passengers and cargo. Even the audio system has been upgraded for deeper bass and crystal-clear vocals, perfect for long adventure trips. Under the performance skin, the 2026 HUMMER EV X3 brings even more extreme performance. The tri-motors now push horsepower numbers that exceed the previous generation, allowing the X3 to deliver incredible acceleration despite its enormous weight. With an output climbing near the 4-digit range, this EV has the kind of power that feels unreal for something this large. Torque vectoring across the three motors enhances control during rock crawling and high-speed trail runs. The battery pack is upgraded with higher efficiency and better thermal management, giving the X3 improved driving range even under demanding off-road conditions. Crab walk returns, allowing the vehicle to move diagonally across tight spaces, and the new Terrain Scan mode uses machine learning to adapt suspension and motor behavior to complex surfaces. The acceleration remains shockingly fast, with 0–100 km/h times that rival sports cars, making the Hummer EV X3 one of the craziest performance off-roaders ever built. Pricing for the 2026 GMC HUMMER EV X3 reflects its high-end, high-capability nature. This is not a budget-friendly EV, it's a premium adventure machine designed for enthusiasts who want the absolute best in performance, technology, and capability. Depending on options, packages, and configurations, the X3 sits at the upper tier of the Hummer EV lineup, aimed at buyers seeking extreme off-road performance combined with futuristic EV engineering. As we wrap up our deep dive, the 2026 GMC HUMMER EV X3 stands as a symbol of what's possible when a brand pushes boundaries with no hesitation. It's massive, it's powerful, it's high-tech, and it feels like a glimpse into the future of off-road electric vehicles. Whether you're an adventure lover, a tech enthusiast, or someone who just appreciates bold automotive design, the X3 is a machine that captures the imagination. If you enjoyed this detailed review and want more upcoming EV 2026 model breakdowns, make sure to like, subscribe, and join us here on Next Gear for more automotive exploration.